Experiencing high CPU usage by RAVBg64 exe in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 4 quick fixes to resolve the issue. Search and click on Device Manager to open it. Click to expand sound video and game controllers. Right-click on Audio Device and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick. Option select High Definition Audio Device and click Next to reinstall it. Open Run by pressing Windows and R key. Write services.msc in it and click OK. Now, locate Remote Access Auto Connection Manager and double-click on it. If it is stopped, click on Start to start it. One of the reasons behind this error could be virus or malware in the system. Run a full scan for the system to isolate this possibility. Press Win plus R to open the Run window and type devmgmt.msc. Press Enter to open the Device Manager. Located the Realtek drivers under the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. Restart the system to save the settings. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.